Guys, it's Abby within the garage, and today we're taking a look at the ePower 800 from Autometer, which is a unique product that you definitely want to have for all of those just-in-case moments that life likes to throw our way. This 4-in-1 piece is compact and can be stowed away easily in any vehicle. Not only can ePower jumpstart your vehicle up to 20 times per charge, but it can also charge other devices like your smartphone or a laptop and serve as a flashlight. Unlike jumper cables, you don't need any additional vehicles or a tow truck, which saves you time and money. The included safety jumper cables also offer protection from reverse polarity, short circuit, reverse charging, low voltage, and overheating. The battery bank is super convenient and charges most USB devices like phones, tablets, laptops, digital cameras, and more. The flashlight is also great in emergency situations with different modes like torch, SOS, and strobe. The ePower 800 is lightweight and easy to handle. This is a great peace of mind item to have in your vehicle for whatever situations that may come along. Obviously, there's no installation for this product, but it is simple to use and easy to pack away. The ePower 800 from Autometer carries a 12-month limited warranty. Thanks so much for watching our video. Today we took a look at the ePower 800 from Autometer. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those below. Also check out that description below for product information and numbers, as well as a link to our dealer locator where you can find a dealer near you who would be more than happy to help you with the purchase of this product. If you liked the video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss when we post new videos. Thanks so much for watching again. This has been Parts Pro in the Garage.